Planning to explore Faro, but don't want to carry your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a quick and safe solution to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Faro using Radical Storage, a reliable platform offering secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses, including hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring that your luggage is protected and fully insured while you explore. Although you can search for Radical Storage online, be cautious of potential phishing sites. To ensure safety, use the official Radical Storage website link provided in the description. Once you're on the site, it's simple to find a luggage storage point in Faro. Just type Faro in the search bar, and you'll see a list of available locations across the city. Choose a convenient spot, whether near tourist attractions, transportation hubs, or the city center. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, then proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the chosen storage point. When you arrive, show the reference to the staff, and they will securely store your bags. That's it. You're now free to explore Faro without the hassle of your luggage, knowing your belongings are safe with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.